In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the sleuths of dreaded Indian National Investigation Agency today formally attached the All Parties Hurriyat Conference office in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the NIA team arrived at Rajbagh in Srinagar and sealed the office. The NIA team was carrying the order of a Delhi court with it that had approved the attachment of the Hurriyat office Srinagar on the pretext of a fake case register against the forum a few years back. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly condemned the attachment of its office. The spokesman said the APHC is a political forum and its office is a public property which has been attached by the Modi regime for highlighting the miseries of the Kashmiris at the hands of brutal Indian troops. The APHC spokesman termed the sealing of the APHC office as well as land eviction drive as a part of the fascist Indian government nefarious designs to further disempower the Kashmiri people. The spokesman said all these attempts are meant to accelerate the process of settlement of outsiders in the occupied territory to bring about a demographic change in the composition of the territory's population. A protest demonstration was held in Udhampur against the land eviction in the name of anti-encroachment campaign in the territory. The protest was organized by the Democratic Azad Party. Another such protest, led by the Mission Statehood Jammu Kashmir President Sunil Dimple, blocked the Janipur Road in Jammu. The protest on the occasion sought rollback of property tax, land eviction notice, and restoration of Kashmiris' rights. Public health engineering workers also staged a protest at Tawi Bridge on the busy road near MA Stadium in Jammu and blocked roads for about 3 hours. The APHC-AJK chapter, in a statement in Islamabad, condemned the attachment of the APHC office in Srinagar and said that the kangaroo courts of India cannot impose the Hindutva-driven decisions on the Kashmiri people.